Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download a screen recorder for games, anything on your phone. So you go to your apps, Play Store, and then you go to just hold on a minute. Then you type in AZ screen recorder, say search, you'll search, then you will get AZ screen recorder. You push the button, then it will say install, and then you say install, and if you install it, you're done. Then you can play games and do any screen recording on. You will find out how it works, and you can let me show you how it works. Oh, sorry, I can't, but it will pop up on your phone. AZ screen recorder. Oh, you have it. That's how I'm recording this video. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Damn it!